So hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the KA Logistics paint job for the truck and also for the trailer. This is an updated tutorial because the previous one had the old Discord setup. So today I'm just going to get right into it. So the first thing you need to do, if you have not joined KA Logistics, go to my TikTok profile, Vudive Plays. You're going to find me on TikTok. Click on the link tree, and there are some things you actually need to do. The first thing you need to do is join the VTC. Join our VTC. Make sure you join this. Make sure you join the VTC. The second thing you need to do is join Discord. And there is the Discord server link. So join the VTC and also join the Discord. Those are the two steps you need to take. After you have done that, you'll be actually allowed to access the files. The third thing you need to do is download a file called Project ALM. This is a save editing tool that enables you do the process easily. So come here, Insanax Home, click on it. You're going to find this tool called Project ALM, and I'll need you to download it. So you click on here to download. It will open some few ad sites, but don't worry about it. Finally, the tool will download. It's less than 5 MBs, I believe. So after you have downloaded the tool, now you can launch your game. So right and about now, I'm going to launch my game. So let me just launch my game so that you guys can see. Let's go. It's going to take a bit of time, so you can fast forward to when the game launches. Hii website ya nini iko na very funny ads, manze. There we have it. The game has launched on the background. Yeah. So as you wait, you can like the video. You can like the video. So we are setting all this thing up in Trackers MP. So you'll click on login, join the server where we are meeting. So if it's an event server, we'll have to refresh, scroll to the bottom to locate the server. But I'm going to show you in simulation 1. So join, click OK. So right before you log into your profile, I'll need you to come here and click on edit career. Once you have clicked on edit career, you see here Steam Cloud synchronization, it's enabled. I'll need you to disable it, and then you'll click on confirm. I'll need you to disable it and click on confirm. For this particular profile, I'll use a different profile that I've already disabled, because this profile I use it to track my progress. So this profile, I've disabled it. Let me show you guys. It's disabled. So let's continue with the career. I'm showing guys how to set up the KA Logistics truck and trailer paint job if you do not have the DLC, or if you want to use the save edited truck and trailers that are on our Discord server. So at this point, you can also fast forward the process. The game just had an update yesterday, so that's why it's taking time. It's going to take a bit of time to log in. Yay. What if you do not use the original DLCs? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Because for the paint job, you need the modern stripes Modern Lines and Super Stripes. Those are the two DLCs that are needed for you to set up the KA Logistics paint job. You need the Modern Lines and Super Stripes DLC. I should have just used the other profile. You are playing TMP. Yes, I'm playing Trackers MP. And we do our convoys on Trackers MP. And I'm actually setting it up for the Trackers MP event that is happening today. If you're new, make sure you join the VTC. The link is on my link tree. You can join the VTC. And you can also join the Discord server. Those are the two steps that you need to take. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to use a track that doesn't have the KA Logistics paint job. Okay. All my tracks have the paint job. So what I'll do, I'll just use just paint it different paint job. And I'll use this for demonstration purposes. So make sure you have a track and you have attached a trailer on the track. So for this particular tutorial, there's a track, the Reynolds, but I want to attach a trailer to it. So let's look for a trailer without the paint job. Okay, let's use this. We're going to apply a different paint job. So I'm going to attach a trailer. Okay, the trailer has been attached. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to show with this Reynolds truck, the truck and the trailer. It's during the night, so it might not be visible enough. Let me move the truck here. Move the truck here. Move it here. As you can see, the truck and the trailer don't have the VTC paint job. So that's what you're going to add the paint job to. So once you have done that, the first thing you need to do is save the game. So I'll come here, save game. And let me save it as save edit. Save edit. And I'll click on save. And then you remember the tool I told you guys to download. It's called Project ALM. So I'll go back and open the tool. Here's the tool. This is how the tool will look depending on the version that you're using of the tool. So what you need to do is come here to save edits. And then what you need to do is select the track editor. You need to select the track editor depending on the version. The profile I want you to select is the profile that I showed you guys. My profile was Vudive Play. So you select the profile that you had disabled the Steam Cloud. So I'll select it and then select the save. Here you need to select the save. So I'll select the save. My save was save edit. So I've selected the save. So once I select the save, it's going to show me that the Reynolds T. See, we are having the Reynolds. It's a Reynolds track. It has been identified by the tool. So what I'll need to do from here, because I want to import another track to replace it, I'll go to Discord. You remember I told you guys to join our Discord server. I'll go to Discord. And then, once you have joined the VTC and everything, you'll be given permission to access these files. So, when you scroll to Discord on the bottommost part of the channels on our Discord server, you will find KA Logistics tracks here. and you'll also find KA Logistics trailers. Or you can check here SES trailers. You're going to find trail. So we are going to save edit the track first. Let's use the track here, and then we are going to look for one. Probably let's use the man, for example. This is the KA Logistics man. No, I don't like the man. Let's look for a different track, one that looks okay. Yeah, this is a Volvo for KA Logistics. So I'll click on download, and the file is going to be saved on my downloads. I'm also going to look for a trailer. So in this case, I'll come to the Discord server, KA Logistics trailers, click on it, and I'll look for one good trailer. It's a trailer I usually like how it looks like. I don't know the brand, the branding. Tassan. Let's take this Tassan trailer. No, Schmitz. Let's take this one. So this is the trailer. I'll click on download also. So I've downloaded the track and I've also downloaded the trailer. So the thing that is left to do is go back to the save edit tool, and now I need to import the full track on top of the track. So what I'll do, I will click on import full track, and then I'll select the Volvo that I downloaded from Discord, and then I'll click on yes, and then it will take a few minutes, and then successfully imported. That's the message that will be displayed. And then I'll click on save changes. So once I click on save changes, I'll click OK. So the next step I'll do is import the trailer. So I'll come here to trailer editor, click on it. Same process. Make sure you select the profile and make sure you select the save. My save was save edit. So I've selected the save, and then I'll import the full trailer. I'll import the full trailer, and I'll select the Kenyan Army trailer, and then import it and click on save changes. Once you've done that, you're good to go. The only thing you need to go is go back to the game. All this you're doing while the game is running on the background. So go back to the game, come to system, load game, and then select the save. You remember the save that we saved, the save edit? Select and click load. And click yes. You're waiting for it to finish loading. And if I've done everything correctly, the track and the trailer should change. You can see, guys. Right now I have a Volvo. The other truck was a Renault. I have the Volvo with the KAL paint job on. And I also have the Schmitz trailer with the KAL paint job on. It's during the night, which might not be that visible. So let me show you guys clearly. I'll change the time a bit. So you can see now. You can see now the truck and the trailer have changed. The truck and the trailer have changed. So that's how you import and use the Kenyan Army Logistics paint job if you do not have the DLC on. And for example, as I finish, if you have done so and you need to do it on another track of your choice, it becomes now very simple. For example, let me purchase a truck on the truck dealers. The process becomes simple for any truck now. So I can decide, let me purchase a DAF. I can purchase the DAF, put it there. Okay. Purchase the DAF. So track manager, let me use the DAF. So for example, this is the DAF that I'm using. So if I want to apply the KA Logistics paint job, it becomes now very simple. So what I can do is I can come to the Volvo that I did the paint job on the truck, and I'll click on copy config. Once I do so, I can paste it on the DAF, on the new DAF. Sorry, let me use a different track. For this to work, you need to be using a different track. For example, let's drive this one. I want to apply it on the new DAF. So once again, let's go back to company, truck, dealers, select the Volvo, copy config, and then you can paste it on this DAF. You can paste it there, confirm, and the paint job will actually appear on the DAF. The paint job will actually appear on the DAF, as you can see. So that's how you can simply paste the paint job. The same process is used also for the trailer. You just copy the configuration, and then you paste it on your trailer. Otherwise, guys, let's meet on the next video.